A federal agent is now facing charges for shooting a man in the line of duty and lying about what happened. These are the most serious charges so far against an ICE agent tied to Operation Metro Surge. Prosecutors say this video made all the difference. Ubah Ali explains that even though prosecutors believe they have strong evidence in this case, sounds like it's far from a sure thing, Ubah.
Yeah, this case has a lot of ups and downs. It started as a case against two men accused of attacking a federal agent. Those charges were dropped. Now that ICE agent, Christian Castro, is facing state charges and federal investigation for allegedly making false statements. Still, like legal experts say, the road to charging a federal officer is not easy. This video from January 14th is at the center of this case. It all stems from an ICE operation in North Minneapolis where one man was shot in the leg. A federal agent claimed he fired his gun while he was being attacked by three men with a shovel and a broom handle. And the day after, then Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem said he almost died. City surveillance video does not show that. We highlighted where one man drops the snow shovel before ICE agents get there. The person the agent was chasing slips and the agent jumps on him. There's a struggle on the ground before the two men break free and run inside. That's when the agent appears to lift his gun and fire a single shot.
Bullet punched through the front door and struck Mr. Sosa Solis's leg before traveling through a closet and lodging in the wall of a child's bedroom.
Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty said this video was critical and helped lead to 5 felony charges. And she's not the only one who's watched it. The head of ICE said they were investigating that agent for making false statements.
There is no such thing as absolute immunity for federal officers who commit crimes in this state or any other.
Will this federal agent even see a Minnesota courtroom?
Yes, sooner or later this federal agent will. But I mean, I would almost imagine that his defense attorney will make a motion to remove it from Hennepin County Court to the federal courts.
Criminal defense attorney Joe Tamburino is not connected to this case, but says that lays the foundation for the defense to make a motion to dismiss based on the Constitution's supremacy clause, a clause that gives federal agents certain protections.
If you can prove that as a local prosecutor that, yes, this particular federal agent, Mr. Castro in this case, was acting outside of his duties, outside of his authorities, well, then you can prosecute him. If you cannot, then he's going to get his case dismissed.
Castro is facing 5 charges for assault and false reporting. This is the second ICE agent charged by Hennepin County Attorney's Office. Neither are in custody right now, Frank, but we also did reach out to ICE to get comment regarding these charges, but have not heard yet.
Okay. Thanks, Ubah. 2 other ICE shootings during Operation Metro Surge took the lives of Renee Good and Alex Preddy. The Hennepin County attorney says there's no timeline on when those charging decisions may come.
We would not move forward until we feel that it's appropriate to charge or not charge, and we feel confident that we're ready to go.
Moriarty says her team is having meetings each week with federal partners about those cases.